Hello, everyone. I'm going to show you not only how to watch free movies, but how to watch live TV channels on your Amazon Fire TV or Fire Stick. You can completely cut the cord and eliminate your high cable bills. This is the most up to date instructions. There are two apps I'm going to show you how to download onto Fire TV or Fire Stick, and they work great together. There's Terrarium TV. Terrarium TV allows you to watch movies and TV shows. And then there's also Gears TV, which allows you to watch live TV channels. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is go to settings. And of course, if I go too fast, simply pause the video as needed. Go to settings, then go to device and developer options, and turn on apps from unknown sources. Once you do that, you can hit the home button again on your remote. Then click to the left of the home at the top of the screen till you see the magnifying glass. That's the search area. If you have your Fire TV or Fire Stick remote with voice, just simply hold it down and say downloader. Or you could go to the letters and just type in the first few, DOW, and you'll see downloader come up in the list below. Click on downloader, and then you'll see the downloader app here in orange under apps and games. Click on downloader, and then you'll see download, you own it. Click on that, and it will download the downloader app to your Fire TV or Fire Stick. Once it's complete, you'll see open. Click on that open button, and then you'll see a pop-up asking you to allow it to access files it may need. Of course, hit allow, and then hit OK on the quick start guide. Then what we're going to do is you'll see where it says enter the URL of the website you want to load. You're going to click where you see the cursor flashing, and it'll open up your keyboard. And what we're going to type in is troypoint.com/TTV. So what we're going to do is go to clear that, and then type in TroyPoint, TroyPoint .com, and then we want to put /. So you go where you see the special characters, click on that, and you'll see the /. Then go back to the same spot and you'll see ABC. It'll bring back up the letters again, and you're going to type in TTV for Terrarium TV. Ooh. And then click go. You'll see the JavaScript disabled pop-up. Click OK. And then you're going to move the cursor down. You'll see it says the latest version, and click on download Terrarium TV .apk. It'll complete the download process, and then you'll see the do you want to install this application pop up. You're going to click to the right, and you'll see it move over to install in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Click install, and it'll install Terrarium TV on your Amazon Fire TV or Fire Stick. And then once the download is complete, you'll see a pop-up saying Terrarium TV is ready to open, ready to launch. What I like to do is clean out the file from the downloader application so that there aren't a bunch of files that are not needed any longer. So we'll click done. And then this is the file that we just used that we no longer need. So click delete and delete again. And it'll remove the file from the downloader application. Then click to the left and click on home in the navigation area. And you'll see your cursors right back to where we were, where you entered the URL. If not, just move your cursor there and click on it, and your keyboard will open up again, and hit clear. And now what we're going to do is download the Gears TV application. So the first thing we're going to type in is targetcreates.com/APK. So type in Target Creates, TARGET, Creates, CREATES.com, and then / APK, and then click go. And then what we're going to choose is the middle option, the second option here, where it says Gears TV Master Release ARM APK. Click on that and it'll begin downloading the file. Once it's complete, it'll ask you if you would like to install it. Click to the right and you'll see it move over in the bottom right hand corner of the screen to install. Click install. And then you'll see app installed. And we're going to do the same thing as we did with Terrarium TV. We're going to click done. And then we're going to click delete. This way we can delete the file that we used that we no longer need. And click delete again. And then just click to the left again, go to home. And then click back twice and you'll exit from the downloader application. Once that's complete, click the home button on your remote. It'll bring you back to the home screen of your Fire TV or Fire Stick. And I'm going to show you how to access those applications. Even if you see the files here, the applications here, I would suggest not opening them through here. And the reason is so that you can do a little maintenance before you open it up each time so the app works smooth with no problems. So every time you want to open either one of those apps, click to the right to settings, then go to applications, and then go to manage installed applications. And this shows all of your apps that are on your Fire TV or Fire Stick in alphabetical order. There's the downloader app we added to the Fire TV or Fire Stick. Here's Gears TV, and here's Terrarium TV. So Terrarium TV is what you're going to use for your movies and TV shows. You'll see when you go to the app and you click on it, rather than just clicking quickly on launch application just so you could open it, each time before you open it, I suggest just clicking force stop and clear cache. It just ensures that it's going to work smooth, removes any files that have built up. It's a little bit of maintenance each time, but it'll keep the app working well so you don't run into any issues. And then click launch application. Once you click on launch application, you'll see it the first time you do it. It will ask you to allow it to access files and the location. Click allow and allow. So there was actually 4 different pop-ups asking you to allow it to access different areas. And just click allow on all of them. And then you'll see the changelog pop up with the version. Click OK. And then you're going to click on Yes Player. Then click Accept. And you have all of your movies here. So here is the settings area where you see the 3 lines in the upper left-hand corner. You could change from TV shows to movies. You could add favorites, has calendar, downloads, and settings. And then if you click back, then you can see the arrow, the small arrow at the top. And you have trending, recently updated new shows, premieres, and you could go through this, of course, and see all the different things. I'll show you quickly how to use it. So let's say we want to watch movies. Click on movies. These are the most popular. I like to click on new HD releases. This way I don't see a lot of the camcorder versions. I don't necessarily like watching those. And then you'll click on the movie you want, let's say Radius. And the first time it'll kind of explain to you how to use everything. And what you do is you could play the trailer, although the trailer is a little tricky right here. You could also click it to show that you've already watched it. IMDb, favorite, you could favorite it so it'll stay in your list. And then to watch it, you click here on the play button. And it'll scrape looking for any links. And then if there are any links available, then you would actually click on that link and it'll play the video. And that's what you're going to use for your movies and TV shows. Then I will now show you, I'll back out of that application. And every time I back out, I always click Force Stop and Clear Cache, just so I don't forget. We'll go back again, and we're in the area where all of the applications are. Click on Gears TV. Now, Gears TV is an awesome app. This is really what's going to allow you to cancel your cable bills and just eliminate them completely. You'll have to go to gearslivetv.com to get your username and password. I will put it in the description below. And you'll click Force Stop, Clear Cache, and Launch Application. And right there, you'll see it'll have pay-per-view fights, USA channels, UK channels, Canadian channels, NBA League Pass, NHL Center Ice, Music Choice, EPL Premier League, Twitch TV, and adult channels do not work. I believe they're going to be removing that. But just to give you an idea, click on USA channels. You have every Cinemax. There's over 200 channels in here. I believe there's about 237 if I'm correct. Encore, FX, HBO, Showtime, Stars, ABC, American Heroes Channel, American Animal Planet. Every channel you can think of is in here. And if you go to the site, gearslivetv.com, they'll actually have a list for you of all of the different channels that are available. And just a great application. I love it. I use it every day. Hope this helps. Enjoy.